Listen, I just wanted to take a really quick opportunity here for the first video of 2021. Cross our fingers, it's going to be excellent. To say Happy New Year. And I hope that you all had a wonderful holiday. I hope you took time to spend with your family and just love on them and enjoy the time that you have. I have a couple of things I want to discuss. First of all, we're going to be doing for January and February, we're going to be doing a kind of a theme, which is something I was hoping to do for the whole year. Every couple of months, we're going to kind of focus on something different. And for January and February, that theme is going to be freezer meals, freezer banking, making sure you have what you need when you need it. And there's a reason for that in my kind of universe, why I need to be stocking my freezer, because I am going to be having surgery at the end of January, because I was recently diagnosed with endometrial cancer. So we want to get that out of me, and we want to make sure that I have everything that I need on hand so that the household runs smoothly, that the family can handle those things while I may be out of commission for a few weeks and healing. And I want to make sure that we have what we need for you so that we have videos already on tap and scheduled and everything's ready to go. So that's what we're doing right now. We are filming, we are planning, we are prepping, and we are getting all ready for our January and February. I know that I've been absent for a few weeks, but that's because I also took the opportunity to spend some good quality time with my family, prepping and getting ready for the holidays, having a great Christmas, and then having a great New Year. And so I've kind of eased myself in. Recently I found out about the diagnosis the middle of December. So that kind of put me in not such a good place for a little while. But I know now through my research, my doctors, my faith in God, that this is all going to work out just fine. And in the great vast scheme of things, if I had to be diagnosed with some form of cancer, that this one is very, very low on the spectrum as far as treatment goes. We're going to have a full hysterectomy. If that's TMI for some of you, I apologize, but I'm just here to give you the scoop. So I'm going in for that, and once they remove it, they will do a full pathology, and with any luck, I won't need any more treatment after the fact. I won't need any chemo or any radiation. But if I do, then I'll be having that done as well. But the doctor feels that we found it very, very early. And I would like to just put this out there because I know that many of my subscribers are ladies. Please do not skip your annual well woman checkup. If I hadn't gone for my well woman checkup, during that exam, they found some bleeding. I had no symptoms, I had no bleeding, no nothing leading up to this appointment. During the pap smear, the doctor found bleeding and requested if they could do a biopsy. And I said, of course you can. And it came back cancerous for endometrial cancer. So I implore you, if you are needing a well woman checkup, please make an appointment and get it done soon, because the sooner you learn, the sooner you can take care of it. So that's my public service announcement for now. But looking forward to January and February, freezer meals, freezer meal tips and tricks. Charlie's here to say hello. And just kind of guiding you. I'm going to do a full video on resources and tips and tricks and things that I find to be really useful, where you can source the pans and all of the tools and things that I think are really helpful. So that's something we're going to do very soon. And then I have a couple of recipe videos already in the can, ready to be edited, and then you'll be seeing those as well. I'm not going to stop making videos. I'm going to take care of you guys. We're still going to be on the channel. And 6 months from now, this will be a thing of the past. And you know what? We're just going to put it in our rearview mirror. So this is just one of those little speed bumps that life presents us. and we just have to get through it. So keep me in your prayers, keep my family in your prayers, and let me know what you think about freezer meals. Let me know if you got some questions about freezer meals, and I'll be happy to answer them the best way that I can in the most expedient way that I can. So again, Happy New Year, and let's make 2021 amazing for all of us. And until next time, I'll see ya.